Welcome to Valentina's Simply Good Food channel. I'll share with you the onion pie recipe made in a French way. We'll need 500 grams of onions, 5 leeks, 2.5 deciliters of yogurt, 100 grams of cheese or smoked cheese, 3 eggs, 2 deciliters of sour cream, salt, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, pepper, 1 teaspoon of thyme, some parsley for decoration, and 250 grams of puff pastry. Usually it's half of the package. Peel the onions and cut each in half, then slice it into half centimeter wide half rings. Cut the leeks into circles. In this recipe, I'll use both the white and the green part of the leeks. In a deeper pot or skillet, heat the olive oil and saute the onions. The onions and the leeks are done once they soften. Approximately it will take about 15 minutes. Season with salt and pepper. Saute until it becomes clear and shiny. This is when I add the thyme. Take a moment to enjoy the awesome scent in your kitchen. Saute for another few minutes, then gradually add the yogurt. Set it aside to cool. Roll out the puffed pastry. My baking tray is 26 cm in diameter. Line the baking tray with baking paper and then lay the rolled out puff pastry on it. The next step is very important, so don't skip it. Cover the pastry with baking sheet and put something heavy on top, like a plate or baking beans. This will prevent the puff pastry from rising more than needed. Bake the pastry for about 10 to 12 minutes on 180 Celsius. In meantime, I'll continue with the preparation of the filling. For the filling, I'll beat 3 eggs and season them with salt and pepper. Then add the sour cream. In this comes the yummy shredded cheese. Stir it well. Add the prepared cream to the cooled onions and leeks and combine it well. The puff pastry is half baked and now I'll just pour the prepared filling on it. Before baking, I'll sprinkle some finely chopped parsley on the pie. The excess pastry I'll simply use to decorate the lining of the pie. Put back the pie into the oven and bake it on 180 Celsius until it gets a golden color. Before serving, be sure to leave it at room temperature to cool a little bit. This will help the filling set and you will be able to cut it nicer without having the cream running. The best is to serve this pie with yogurt or sour cream. Try this French onion and leek pie with such an interesting taste. Like the video, and if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe so you won't miss any upcoming Simply Delicious recipe.